Hi guys, my name is Soumya. I'm your psychic and a tarot card reader plus healer. So today I am going to do a requested reading which is of how you're going to meet them. Of course your soulmate reading once again. This is a requested video, one of my viewer out here. So this reading is for you, how you'll meet them and what are they currently feeling basically. Okay, so I'm going to burn my sage first of all over here so that energy can get little bit cleansed. So over here I'm showing a sage so that energy get cleansed. Spirit angels, I need your help. So I'm taking out all the negative energies from all the surroundings. Okay, let's start with our reading over here. Okay, so how you going to meet them? How you going to meet your person, your soulmate, your twin flame? Okay, this is a general reading, guys. So take what resonates with you. And here is an options as usual: pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Let me show you like this: pile 1, okay, pile 2 and pile 3. So you need to choose with your intuition and with your interest whichever deck you feel attractive to. Take a deep breath. You can pause my video. Pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So I'm keeping it back and let's start with our reading over here. Hope you have chosen your decks. So how you'll be meeting them? Okay, let's start with our pile 1. I'll be taking this first tarot decks over here. How pile 1 person will be meeting them. Who are they? And what they are currently feeling. What they are currently feeling for pile 1. So I'm going to take out your current feeling so you can know is this is your person or you have already met them or not. You can comment me on my comment box. 8 of coins, the wheel of fortune, 8 of coins. What is pile 1 person currently feeling right now? So there is page of coins. Okay, I feel like this is a new person. This is not someone old. Okay, there is a page of coins which is page of pentacles, 8 of coins, 8 of pentacles and the wheel of fortune, the first card. You can see lots of 10 number whenever you will be meeting. Okay, you could be even a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn over here, very strong, and either fire sign. I'm getting lots of fire sign also. So I am sensing like either you can meet this person while you are getting ready for some work or like you are getting ready for your career, like you are totally ready, you want to make money. Okay, you are getting out of comfort zone and making money. Like this is a new person, you have already went out of your past and you are meeting this new person. While working also you're thinking something and you are meeting this person basically. See, you are a queen of wands. So you can be either a tarot card reader, healer or a psychic over here. Doctor also. For some you can be a beautiful woman, attractive men. Okay, no gender base over here if you're watching over here. So right now I feel like your cycle is completing with this person and you are meeting this person. It's time to meet. For some of you, you have already met this person, what I'm sensing. Again, there is money. So this person can be busy in money making. They are more money focused. What I'm getting here. When you'll be meeting this person, even you'll be focused on your money. And what this person is thinking that you are growing with your money and you are concentrating in your money. And yes, you get literally focused on your money sometimes. For some, I'm sensing like while working, you think of them. What will they do? What they can do? What moves they can do for you? And for some of you, I'm getting like you can do even spells in them. You are doing a strong manifestation. My candle is like, so it is like saying me, yes, it is happening. Like both are like mirroring each other. My candle is also saying a lot right now. So let's see how you'll meet them. So how pile 1 person will meet their soulmate. How pile 1 person will be meeting their soulmate. Spirit angel, please guide me. So there is page of wands. I feel like you are dealing with someone very, very younger and either you can be also younger by them. Okay. And this person can be very slow and they can have kind of mixed feelings with them with moon energy also. I'm sensing for some of you, you can meet them after new moon, whenever new moon changes. Okay, new moon in Scorpio. And if your sun moon rising is Scorpio, then definitely there are chances that you can meet this person very, very soon after full moon in Scorpio. So this person is younger to you. Either they can be 1 year younger to you, 5, 6 years younger to you, or you can be younger to them, because there is lots of age, and this person can be very slow. While they are building money, they want to take action towards you. They love traveling a lot, and for some, you will be meeting them while traveling. Okay, I get very mixed energies over here, so I keep on saying different situation, whatever my spirits guides are saying me to say you. Okay, so please don't say that it is not like that. This is a general reading. If you want private reading, you can book your session in advance payment mode bookings. Thank you. So how pile one person will be meeting them? How pile one person will be meeting them? Spirit angel, please guide me. How pile one person will be meeting them? So there is 5 of Swords, crossroads. Wait a sec. How will the pile one person will be meeting them? 9 of Swords, again too much of. Okay, 2 of Wands came reverse. I am sensing like you both guys are confused. You both are having some cycle repeatedly. That's why there is a world card also. And there is 9 of Wands. Even you are scared, like if you lose them, and they are also like feeling scared. And for some, I am getting like they are guarding themselves and they are protecting themselves. Either they have lots of burden in them and they are ignoring you a lot. Might be there for some, there can be a age factor. Okay, this could be a twin flame, because mostly twin flames have age gaps and religious factors. So you could be having a long distance relationship with this person with 2 of Wands reverse, and I'm getting soon like this person can contact you very soon if you are not in a contact with this person you are dealing. Either you're in less contact or you have some fight with sword energy. You will be having some conflict while meeting them. Okay, 9 of Swords, 5 of Swords. It's completely saying they are like ignoring you. You are also having some ego clashes with them. Let's see more with my oracle decks what it is. So I'll take here Akashic Tarot. So how you will be meeting, how pile one person will be meeting them. So you can see lots of 10, 10, 11, 11 while meeting this person. You are in a twin flame journey, guys. Pile one. So how pile one person will be meeting them? Please give me some more information. Please give me some more clarity, spirits. Please give me some more clarity, spirit guides. 6 of Scrolls, Sands of Time. Okay, I feel like whatever this is happening between you both right now, or their birth date could be 26. So I'll take this card, and there is the Garden of the Gate. Wow. So you'll be receiving lots of peace whenever you'll be meeting this person, and there will be lots of conflicts too. So let's see more who's this person is. Who's pile one person? Sorry, my video got cut. So let's see who this person is. Spirit angel, please guide me whose pile one person can be. Spirit angel, please guide me whose pile one person can be. So there is a letter. You can receive a message from this person. Either you both can have lots of messaging game. You both are having misfortune, and my card flip off over here. So you both are having some towering moment right now. Okay. So this person loves talking in messages more than call or anything. So who's this person is? Pile one. Spirit angel, please guide me for pile one. Who's the person is? And for most of you guys are having lots of intuition power high. This person could be also even intuitive or tarot card reader, healer. If not, they are very intuitive and they have a strong psychic availability. So there is joyfulness. For some of you, this is your friend, guys. You know already this person, and you feel happiness with this person whenever you meet them. And for some, like, you get very happy while meeting this person, even if you don't know. For some of you, this person could be a soldier, a hardworking man, and they could be either in Air Force, Army, Navy, for some BSF. And this person could be very hardworking and very loyal towards you. And for some, I'm getting, if not they are soldiers, they can fight for themselves for you. Okay, for some, they are hiding their feelings right now a lot. Let's check with our lover cards over here. Then I'll be finishing with pile one. What is there for pile one? How pile one person will be meeting them? How pile one person will be meeting them? So there is serendipity. So there is lots of peace whenever you will be meeting this person. You will be feeling like lots of serendipity. Plus, like this person could be very creative, or you could be very creative. Like for some of you, this person can be even a chef, artist, actor, director, businessman, entrepreneur. And universe is saying you when this person will be coming, they will not be stopping. And there is luminosity. They see you as an abundant lady, beautiful lady, just like a Lakshmi goddess. And yeah, so yes, there is a creativity. You can meet this person through a creativity. When like this person can be also a creative person, and this person can be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. For some of you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Strong. Okay, very strong it is. Let me take out. Yes, over here it is. So how will file one person will be meeting them? Angel Spirit, please guide me relevantly. Flirt. This person could be a flirty player and they want to flirt with you. So you need to even extend your heart so that yes, you can allow this person to come to you and you can go with the flow. For some of you, like you can be codependent to this person, might be like lots of conflict is happening. That's why. How will file one person will be meeting them? Retreat. This person will be meeting you and they will be like, okay, whenever you meet this person, you can have conflicts and you both will retreat from each other. Means you will not be in a contact zone and you need to trust the process because this will be your true love, guys, and you are in twin flame soulmate journey. Okay, so this was my reading for pile 1. Hope it resonated with you. Let me know in comment box and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Hi guys, those who have chosen pile 2, let's see what is for them. What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? The Hangman. What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? The Fool. What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? Knight of Wands. Oh my god. And my 2 cards again fall off. I won't do those cards. And shadow of the deck is 9 of Wands. This 9 of Wands is just coming everywhere in my every readings, even in general readings. So there is the Hangman, the Fool, and the Knight of Wands. So I am sensing this person is going on Hangman energy. They are going in some awakening right now. They are not properly awakened. Sorry guys, my video is getting cut due to insufficient storage over here. So yes, this person will be in like totally confused zone. Right now they are feeling very confused. For you, if you know them, yes, they are very much confused. If you also don't know your divine counterpart, soulmate or twin flame or your person, so yes, this person is right now totally confused. Okay, they are in a Hangman energy. Plus I'm sensing like this person, so sorry for disturbance. So yes, this person will be taking leap of faith for you. They will be making some decision and come forward towards you. What I'm sensing, and this person can have a dog. They could be a dog lover, animal lover, but their spirit guide, spirit animal can be a dog or a horse. Okay, this person can be born in a horse year. They love freedom a lot, and they can be a faithful person towards you. Right now I'm sensing like this person wants to be a physical with you, wants to be in a physical relationship with you, then they might be taking footstep forward. Right now they are in a very guarding energy to come towards you, and you are also the one who can guard yourself from them right now. And this person will be starting like from zero to come towards you, like their mind will be totally empty with Hangman energy. Okay, this person currently feelings are this. Now let's see who is this person actually. Spirit angel, please guide me. Who is pile 2 person? How they be a queen of wands. Either you can be a queen of wands or some female which will be making you meet. Some of you can meet this person through a lady, or either you can be this beautiful woman out here, queen of wands. You can be a fire sign either. This person could be a Scorpio or fire sign too. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. How pile 2 person will be meeting them? So there is a magician. So most of you are here a magician, and you could be in the same line: tarot card reader, healer, psychic, spell workers, whosoever it is. Hi, welcome to my channel. And there is 6 of Wands. So I'm sensing like whenever you meet this person, you will be like, whenever you'll be doing your healing and whenever you'll be manifesting them, you'll be meeting them. And sensing you can have a cat or dog over here. You love cats a lot, you love dogs a lot. For most of you, let me know in comment box if you do, if it is resonating. And there is 6 of Pentacles. I'm sensing lots of like there will be lots of equal give and take in this connection regarding money or spiritual connection or physical connection. Yes. So how will pile 2 person will be meeting them? So this person, even I'm sensing like for most of you, they can be dominating personality. You can see lots of 111 a lot. and there is lots of rather and chaser game with this person when you'll be meeting them. And there is at the end Ace of Wands, lots of passionate, lots of new big wow soulmate connection. So you can see lots of 222, 111, 444, and shadow of the deck is lover. So this I feel I don't need to say it. You can have a guess whom you're meeting, and they are your high level twin flame soulmate connection, and you can lead to marriage while meeting this person. You have a divine counterpart, actually, guys. You are with your strong divine counterpart. You will be have that sensation while meeting this person, like, yes, this is the one for me. They are the one for me. And you won't leave each other. You have the soul connection. There is a strong divine is protecting you both. Either you both will be running or chasing for some, but you will be ending up getting together at the end when you'll be meeting this person. And there is lots of passionate, I see lots of new beginning. You will be working together. There will be lots of equal give and take. You will be the protector of their family, and they will be protecting of your family and towards you. Now let's see what my oracle says about your love life. So there is strongly Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini. So who give me clarity more for pile 2? Spirit, please give me clarity for pile 2. So you both will be like ending up like, first you'll be starting up with the 0, and then everything will be like divinely guided. So there is winged messages. So universe is sending you some sensation while you will be meeting this person. You will be get lots of sign. You'll be seeing lots of eagle, doves, and archangels, angels. Your ancestors are making you meet. This is like ancestors have bring this connection. Wow, beautiful reading now. So yes, you'll be having some winged messages, some messages call coming from this person to, you'll be having some conversation. Let's see more. Clearing the way. So you'll both will be clearing the way and meeting each other. Matlab, you'll be clearing all the paths. You're having some path right now which is need to be clear up. And let's see more. What is the shadow of the deck? Sangha community. For most of you, this person wants to build family with you, and for others, you'll be meeting this person through a family, which is come on pile 1. I think pile 1 people are watching this too. So yes. So your reading is confirmed in pile 1 and pile 2. Like for most of you, you will be meeting this person through family, and this person will be building a family with you. They will be marrying you soon, and yes, there is a commitment. For some of you, this can be a love marriage, a love commitment coming your way. Either you have already met this person. So let's see who is this person can be. Let me check out more from my oracle cards. So what is there for pile 2? What is there for pile 2? When pile 2 person can be meeting them? When pile 2 person will be meeting them? Okay, there is sexuality. I told you with Knight of Wands. This person sees you sexually. They are highly sexually addicted person, and there is lots of sexual involved in this relationship. And then this thing will be growing with you both. So there is connection. Plus there is lots of deep connection between you both. You can hear a song while be like dating this person, and you will be feeling lots of strong connection with lovers and connection card over here. So let's see what. So you both have some life purpose. Sorry. So I'm sensing lots of throat chakra problem of you guys. This person, there is no communication, no commitment right now, but yes, sooner or later this thing will be turning into a commitment with the life purpose card. So there is a life purpose while meeting this person. You both have same life purpose, or universe is making you meet through to this person with some life purpose. There is some life purpose of this person and you. That's why universe is bringing you together. So there is emotional freedom, shadow of the deck. So this connection is starting with lots of emotional freedom. And let's see more. I have so many cards today I'm taking out. So yes, sorry guys, my video is getting cut in between. So there is number 20, 29 and 2. You can see lots of 2, 2, 2, 11, 11, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6 while meeting this person. And there will be lots of community involving this person. Can be a rich person, a man holding a coin over here, a thinking man, a deep thinker. So this person will be deeply thinking about you, plus their money too, and they are strongly focused on themselves. They could, so there will be lots of like jealousy with this person from you. Either you could be also from rich family, or I don't know what is the problem. And for some of you, I'm sensing like most of many people around you, many of their friends or your friends will be envied from you and this person, because they can't resist. Most of you, this relationship is a long distance relationship, guys, and you both will be having some journey. Okay, you will be having some path completing. Okay, and you will be meeting through in a journey, in a trip, and you will be planning some trip around before marriage or after marriage or while meeting this person. Okay, so let's see who is this person. Spirit angel, please guide me. Who is this person of pile 2? Who is this person of pile 2? Who is this person of pile 2? Soldier, again soldier. So pile 1 also has soldier, so you can watch pile 1, pile 2. So this person could be a soldier, army, navy, or air force. For some, if not, they are not soldier, they could be a fighter, men or a woman. They love to fight for themselves and for you in coming future. So who is this person for pile 2? So there is lots of transformation, death, rebirth. I said you pile 1. Lots of fortune involved. Lucky you. So this person is a rich, ready to become a rich man also for some, and they would love to do lots of parties, enjoyment with their friends and family, cheerfulness. They are a cheerful leader, person, cheerful soldier, strong soldier basically. And let's see more from my romance angel. What is there for pile 2? Spirit angel, please guide me. What is there for pile 2? So there is free yourself. Like unrequited love, there's no contact. So you both can have heart to heart conversation while you meet, because for some of you, you are meeting this person through a family, and for some of you, this person is your lover. You have already met them, but there is no contact because there's lots of transformation going on. This is a test from universe while you meet this person. So this person will be expressing their love, and this is a confirm, guys. My spirits also said once again, this is your soulmate. Wow, pile 2. So this person will be expressing their love soon. If they are not doing right now, they will be freeing themselves. You have to also free yourself, because you guys are going on a big transformation. As I said before, you can see lots of butterflies, doves, eagle. So you need to free yourself. You need to heal first while meeting this person. Then only you can meet this person, your soulmate, your twin flame. So this was my reading for pile 2. Hope it resonated with you. Do let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share my channel. Thank you. Hi pile 3, those who have chosen this pile. Lightseers Tarot. Let's see what is there for you. This is my last reading. So let's see when you're going to meet this person, how you're going to meet this person, and what are this person currently feeling right now. So you both are going to tower right now. You both had a breakup. Okay, recently I feel like you know this person. Pile 3. You are having a tower moment right now. I can see like a death also and a rebirth again. This was in pile 1, pile 2 also. So I don't know what. I feel most of you guys are going through a same journey right now. Death and rebirth. You had a tower shit also in the past. So, or this person can also have a tower shit in their past, breakup, disturbed. Their past was not so good. So, what is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? I won't take so many decks. What is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? Okay, 7 of Pentacles. Let me check out your King of Pentacles reverse. So I'm sensing this person having some financial issues right now. Whenever you meet this person is going through a financial issues, and they are trying to build their money again. Okay, and they had a tower moment at past. Might be there's some financial issues, and this could be a friend, guys. I see a friend sensation over here, so I'll take this card too. Okay, and you both can have a breakup too, and this person is right now just thinking of themselves right now, building their own money. While you meet this person is thinking to just build their own money right now, and they are your friends. For some, if you haven't met this person, you can be meeting them through your friends or family. So how will be pile 3 person will be meeting their person? How pile 3 person will be meeting their person? There is a Queen of Cups. Okay, wow. So there is a divine counterparty. Yay. Oh my god. So runner and chaser game is finishing, guys. You are in a runner chaser game right now. This person seems to be confused. They have options, okay, and they are a deep thinker. They could be a healer. You could be a healer. If not healer, they are healer by their mind. They do lots of meditation, yoga, and they are a peaceful person. They want peace from you also. Right now, you both are having a temporary problem, and this is a runner chaser game, so this will be ending while you meet. So you are meeting your divine counterpart, guys. Congratulations! I'm seeing this so much positive readings in all my three of cards. This is the first time where my general reading gets like very positive cards this time. So there will be a runner chaser game between you both, and you will be after time get depression while meeting this person because this person is also making you confused. They are keeping you as an option. Okay, but this thing will be ending soon. Now let's see what my tarot card says, Akashic Tarot. So what is there for pile 2? What is there for pile 2? Spirit angel, please guide me. What is there for pile 2? I don't want so many cards, spirits. What is there for pile 2? So there is 2 worlds. So you will be different from each other. Oh wow, Archangel Raphael. So you need to do lots of love healing, guys, to get this person because there could be a strong water sign, guys. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is very strongly over here. And Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is very much prominent over here. But I see lots of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in the charts or your charts. So you are from 2 different world, guys. Either you have lots of religious factor, either age factor or some culture factor. If not culture, like you are from different worlds, different backgrounds. Either one can be rich, one can be from middle class or higher middle class or whatever. So there is an Archangel Raphael protecting you both, and there is again number 4, birth and rebirth. So yes, you will be having a rebirth with this person. There will be a death, transformation, big transformation. That's why there was a tower moment between you both. There is a separation in this connection that your connection can be built. So please tell me more about pile 2 person and how they will be meeting them. So how pile 2 person will be meeting the person. So there is a family, happy family. This person will be want a happy family with you guys. They want to build a connection more. They appreciate you a lot. You can be a beautiful independent woman and you love flowers a lot. You can be a creative. So anxiety, while you meet this person you will go through lots of anxiety, guys. And there is a thinking man. So this person will be a deep thinker, or you can deep thinkly and going to anxieties while meeting this person. Let's see more from my love cards and let's see who is this person is. Please give me clarity for pile 3, who is this person is and how can pile 3 person will be meeting that person. Spirit, please guide me relevantly. So there is inner peace. When you meet this person while going lots of tower shit, you will be getting inner peace while you meeting this person. There is a commitment. If this person is not giving you commitment, they will be giving you commitment because they are your divine counterpart, guys. They are distorted right now, or either you are distorted, okay, and they are your divine masculine, what I am sensing. And what I told you also with King and Queen of Cups, they are your divine masculine. You are also the divine feminine. See the beauty. So let's go on with who this person can be and will. Sorry, my video is getting cut. So let's see who is this person and I'll be ending my video now. So who is pile 3 person is? Who is pile 3 person is? Spirit angel, please guide me. Who's pile 3 person is? Who's pile 3 person is? Okay, I got here too many cards. Reunion, wow. So for most of you, this is your lover, guys. A divine counterpart. You will be having a union once again. You will be meeting once again. This person can propose you for marriage. Constancy. This person will be constantly remaining with you, and this person can be at time psychopath person. What I'm sensing over because of King of Cups energy. Yes, this person can be a deep thinker, and they can do anything for you with this pair. And there is a messenger. So you will be receiving some kind of message from this person later if you are living far away. And let's see more. So what is there for pile 3? Spirit angel, please guide me. What is there for pile 3? Engagement. I feel I don't need more cards. Spirits are saying me don't take more cards. So this person will be definitely giving you a commitment. You both will be having an engagement for some if you haven't met this person. If you are looking in arrange, yes, there will be an engagement first, a commitment offer. You both are very much passionate about each other. You just need to do healing. What is there for pile 3? So there is engagement and commitment. Wow, I think I should take more cards or not. Yes, there is a passionate chemistry between you both, and you both can be passionate for each other. You need to keep an open mind, guys. Keep an open mind, because I'm sensing at a time this person could be a flirty, and universe is showing you a red flag. You might be getting even a red flag from this person. So just be careful. Just manifest this person and heal yourself. And yes, there is possibility of meeting this person very soon. So congratulations, pile 3. Thank you. And if my reading resonated with you, do let me know in comment box. Thank you a lot.